Welcome back to Car Flair, your go-to destination for the newest, boldest, and most exciting rides hitting the road. Today, we're diving into one of the most anticipated reveals of the year, the all-new 2026 Toyota Motorhome camper van. If you've ever dreamed of combining Toyota's legendary reliability with the freedom of a fully mobile lifestyle, this van just might be your dream on wheels. At first glance, the 2026 Toyota camper van stuns with its clean, aerodynamic shape and rugged details. Built on Toyota's latest modular platform, this van blends modern design with practical adventure-ready features. With a raised suspension, off-road tires, integrated roof solar panels, and sleek LED lighting, it's built to tackle both the open highway and unpaved backroads with confidence. Step inside, and you're greeted by a beautifully crafted interior that feels more like a luxury studio apartment than a camper. Every inch is thoughtfully designed for comfort, space, and function. The living area features a convertible lounge with soft-touch upholstery that turns into a queen-size bed at night. A fold-out dining table, ambient lighting, and multiple USB-C charging ports bring convenience to the next level. The kitchenette is surprisingly spacious, featuring an induction cooktop, deep stainless steel sink, smart refrigerator, and ample cabinetry. Toyota even included a filtered water system, so you're always ready for a clean meal, no matter how far from the city you are. Toward the rear, you'll find a compact but fully equipped wet bath with a water-saving toilet and rainfall shower, ideal for extended getaways. Under the hood, the 2026 Toyota camper van offers two powertrain options, a hybrid setup for those looking for fuel efficiency, and a fully electric version with an estimated range of 280 miles per charge. The van supports fast charging capabilities, allowing you to go from 20% to 80% battery in under 40 minutes. It's also equipped with Toyota's latest driver assistance tech, including adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist, and 360-degree parking cameras. Storage space is plentiful, with hidden compartments throughout the cabin, roof-mounted cargo racks, and a rear gear garage perfect for bikes, surfboards, or hiking equipment. Whether you're a weekend traveler or a full-time vanlifer, this Toyota delivers everything you need, and a little more. That's all for today's spotlight on the 2026 Toyota Motorhome camper van.
Thanks for watching Car Flair. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more reviews on this channel. See you in the next video.